How to fix Tekken 7 lag, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tekken 7 lag. First go to settings and then go to privacy, scroll down until you find here background apps, and after that turn off this one here, and now go to system and then go to notifications and actions. And now once you're here, turn off notifications, and now just go to update security, make sure your Windows is updated, and that's it. Now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, and before launching Tekken 7, just close all the applications here that you don't need, and also close Google Chrome, and that's it. Now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.